Are you constantly worried about your child's health and immunity? It's no surprise given the world we live in. Keeping our kids healthy is a top priority, and a robust immune system is key. Well, what if we told you there's a sweet solution to boost your child's immunity? Introducing Manuka honey, a sweet gift from the bees of New Zealand. This isn't your run-of-the-mill honey. You see, when bees pollinate the flowers of the Manuka bush, they produce a honey that's a powerhouse of beneficial properties. It's packed with a unique compound called methylglyoxal, setting it miles apart from your regular honey. This compound is believed to contribute to Manuka honey's potential health benefits. Sounds sweet, right? But that's not all. Manuka honey isn't just a sweet treat, it's a health-boosting powerhouse for your child's immunity. This nature's wonder is packed with antibacterial properties that help ward off infections. It's also brimming with antioxidants, those tiny but mighty warriors that defend the body against harmful free radicals. Got a little one with a sore throat? A spoonful of Manuka honey can ease the discomfort. And the best part? It's deliciously sweet. So your kids will love it. Who knew something so tasty could be so good for you too? So, to wrap up our honey sweet journey, we delved into your concerns about your little one's health, introduced the wonder of Manuka honey and its immune-boosting benefits. Remember, a spoonful of Manuka honey makes the health worries go down. Stay sweet and stay healthy.